Northern Virginia, and also how strong Donald Trump is in that kind of more rural, blue-collar vote in the southwest part of the state.
Circle Georgia for me.
Okay. Georgia's another one.
So Georgia's interesting, right? Because, look, Georgia, it's been close in the polls, but people expect Donald Trump will likely win there. Still, there are some very important signs you'll look at earlier.
Two big ones. How big is the African-American turnout in Georgia? And that is a big question across the board. Can Clinton get the kind of historic turnout that President Obama did in 2012 when African-Americans voted at a higher rate than whites? And also, the second question, does her gains relative to Obama among white-collar whites extend into the South, which is about to be even more critical in the 730 states that we get to.
Georgia show you signs for Florida, for
and North Carolina,
more.
North Carolina comes at 7:30, and you know there have been really only Florida, probably, and Ohio, which is also at 7:30, have given us more attention from the candidates in this year. North Carolina is critical. If Hillary Clinton can flip North Carolina, going to be from minority voters. In Ohio, it's more like 20%. In Ohio, that minority vote is almost entirely African American. The other thing is it's more blue collar than the country. And as these divides between the groups get bigger in this election, those small differences in the composition
get more people out in Philadelphia, like Obama did in 2012. Then the state is out of reach for Donald Trump, as it was for Mitt Romney. Michigan's a similar situation where you get urban areas, Flint and Detroit, you get those numbers up, then the people who are in the more rural or in the more working class areas are muted a bit in terms of the vote. And so, yes, there are